Another day. We're starting early today. About 5:53 in the morning. Leaving Betanzos. We stayed at the municipal albergue and we are heading to Bruma. There isn't usually a lot of spaces there, so we're gonna give it a try.
The great bed race.
I had a good night's sleep. I did wake up a couple times with this snoring, even though my earplugs were really good.
My sleep was just so-so. I was on a top bunk this time for the first time, and I had that fear of rolling off, so it didn't happen. Up today.
Yeah, but it's beautiful. Wow, let me turn around. Not this to the right, just check the bridge out, but it's across the bridge this way. Big sign on the post.
Tough part at this time of day. It's a different hike out of the city than yesterday.
Well, you can barely see me. It's still dark, but we can see the road. I was so half asleep this morning that when I realized I was putting polysporin on my toothbrush instead of toothpaste, I managed to catch it just in time.
Said that there's these water stations about every 6 kilometers.
Oh, nice. On the Inglés.
Inglés.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
And they're all drinking water.
Yes, that's an initiative.
Early. No coffee yet. This tree though, quite amazing. Off we go. We bumped into our Camino friends. I want a coffee so bad. They are closed on Wednesdays. Those paintings are so cool. We had a nice stop. Coffee was one of the best coffees I've had so far.
It was a great coffee and a great apple.
And like super cool atmosphere. Like the paintings are super cool. We also had empanada and torta de Santiago. So now
It's tasty.
off we go. What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, and we still have about 13-14 kilometers to go. Will we get a bed?
We'll find out. Stay tuned.
That's how he has to walk. So I can catch up with him. Oh, too funny. Coffee shop, lots of benches, a cool place to rest. Climb, climb, climb. Lots of ups. At least it was mostly gradual. This last bush was a little steeper. Enjoying a small portion of flat ground. Nice breeze. Birds are singing. There's more to climb after that. A stamp station! Woo-woo! Oh, cool! So close! Hopefully they have some spots. Pretty confident. I'm feeling good about it. Open it. Cheers. You don't have your feet in the water? Too cold?
I'm cured already.
We got a spot. Now we can rest. Cheers! We're gonna go try some food. Casa Grande. Smile! And that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Buen camino! Bye!